Okay, friends, God bless you and welcome. On today's video, I am dealing with the worst room in my house. And my worst room is my craft room, my office room. And it has got ridiculous and it's out of hand. So I am going to bust this mess up today. And I hope y'all come and join with me as I clean my office. So guys, don't judge me, but please pray for me. What I did was I threw everything in this room when I was keeping my grandkids, and now I'm paying the piper for it. So thank y'all so much for joining. Hope y'all get an inspiration today to clean up that worst room. Hello friends, welcome and God bless you on today. In today's video, this is my extreme messy room that I'm going to declutter and clean. I have started this journey. I started from the spring and now I'm in my summer season of decluttering, organizing my home. But before I can organize it, I first have to declutter. And I'm getting rid of a lot of things that I do not use bit by bit. Then I'm going to organize, and then later comes beauty. Because before you can get your home in that beauty stage, you first got to declutter. Unfortunately, what I did here when I was keeping my grandkids, I took everything and dumped it in my office room. So I'm taking you along with me to encourage those, to motivate those on cleaning their messy or the worst spots in your home. Friends, I hope this inspires you. I want to bring a video once a week, at least every Sunday. And it just won't be on the first because that's the Mastermind Influence team. But every Sunday from the second, third, and the fourth, I want to bring in, even fifth Sundays, I want to bring a cleaning inspiration video because I'm changing the style of my channel. Because when I first started my channel, I started as a cleaning video. And then I got into decor. I am not a designer and I love decorating, but I decided to do it as needed. You will see me still do a little bit of decorating, and I am doing some budget-friendly tips on here on how to save money. Definitely some YouTube motivation. So this is what my channel is all about, guys. Friends, I want to thank you so much for being your loving kindness and patience with me. And I thank you so much for being a part of this journey with me. And if you're new today, welcome. And please, if this inspires you, please do join. I thank God for my faithful friends and followers. God bless y'all. Y'all know I love y'all and appreciate everything y'all do. I thank y'all so much for y'all comments. God bless y'all. Guys, I just want to get everything in order. You know, I see so many cleaning videos, and I'm telling you, it really inspires me. But you know, you got to take it one day at a time. And what I decided to do every day, declutter and clean some things. Now in this room, I have to repaint and reorganize and maybe kind of, do a different style on it. But for right now, I'm decluttering and cleaning it up. That's the important thing. Getting it back so I can walk in it without saying, oh my gosh, without my husband saying, when are you going to clean that room up? So this is real life, guys. Welcome to the real world. This is real life. Sometimes we don't show y'all everything on YouTube, but to those that do, God bless y'all. I tell you, it takes a whole lot of boldness. friends, I know sometimes, it takes a little time to watch these cleaning videos. But if y'all can put me on y'all TV. And I hope that while you're watching me, you're cleaning up your rooms and cleaning that house up. Guys, I'm telling you, I am so inspired. I am in this to finish it, to get a good process through this. I'm telling you, it took me approximately about 4 to 5 hours to do this, because I did stop along the way, but it takes a while. So the time on this video does not compare to what I had to do. Now, in my office room, I have to go through the dresser and organize it, go through my basket, go through my little dresser that I have right there for storage, go through my closet. So this right here, mainly, like I said again, it just means decluttering what you see. And later on, you will see me work behind the scene. So I am doing a cleaning marathon. So guys, if y'all want to come along with me, please do, and let me know. The Penny, I'm working on doing the same thing, maybe not the same place, but I'm working on decluttering my home and cleaning my home, bringing the beauty back to our home. So thank y'all so much for commenting, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and always share. This is a book on fasting. I got it from Amazon. If anyone interested, just let me know, because I'm telling you guys, it's good to do some spiritual fasting sometime. So as you see, guys, it's getting there slowly but surely. But still wait, because it ain't over yet. Friends, this is why I said earlier on the video that it's not over yet. I knew I still had a bunch of clothes to fold. So this is me just throwing clothes in here to fold them. And I have the mindset to clean my home. You got to endure through this. You cannot give up. And every day, just do a little part until you get your home to the place that you want it to be. So I thank y'all so much for joining me on today. And if this has motivated you, inspire you, please let me know. And if you're new here today, please let me know. I welcome you, love you, and thank you so much for watching. Let me know if it's okay for me to do these type of videos. I don't want to run you guys away. I just want to motivate you and just let you know this is real life, and just show you some things that I have to do even behind the scene. You know, a lot of times we take these videos, but you don't see the behind the scene on sometimes when our kitchen is a mess when we're doing tablescapes. But I am working on it, and I am going to become a perfectionist at cleaning. collaboration is July the 7th at 1 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. And do your own niche. And the information is already up. It's on the video and it's in my community page. I would love for you to join. Thank y'all so much. Have some little areas to do, to declutter some of the spots in the corners and remove some things still out of the office, but the majority of it, guys, came out pretty good. So I'm almost there. At least I can come in the room now without feeling so tell me what y'all think, the before and the after. Thank y'all for watching and have a blessed, prosperous day from Penny. God bless you.